Welcome back to part 2 of customizing your user interface. Now we've added our ribbon tab there, and there's our panel, our 2D draw panel on our home 2D tab here on the ribbon. So what I've got to do now is make the changes all the way down here on the panel first of all. So let's make the changes on the panel. It's right down here near the bottom. There it is there. So let's make some changes here. What have I got? Let's have a look at what commands I've actually got here. My Draw 2D panel is similar to this one at the moment. So I'm going to make some changes on row 1 there. So I've got an arc drop down, which is there. I've then got a separator, which is that little gap there. And then I've got polyline. So I'm just going to move a few things around here. Let's tweak a few things and let's make things look a bit different. So what we're going to do there is we're going to change some of these commands. I'm just going to move them around a little bit more than anything else. So let's say up here we'll put rectangle in there, for example. So we've moved rectangle from row 2, and you can see there it's gone there underneath polyline. So you can see there that we're just making changes here and we're previewing it. What we can do at any time is we can also refresh these things. Now at the moment you'll see it says copy of home 2D draw there. Don't worry about that too much. That will change when we refresh everything and load it into the drawing. And what I'm going to do there as well, I'm going to bring the hatch up here to there. And then what I might do is I might add a new command. Let's say helix. I'll add helix there and I'll bring it up here to there. Now we've got row 2 there, spline, polygon. I'm not going to worry about these too much. I'm just going to, let's say, move a few things around. So let's move boundary there to the other side of region and make some changes. You can see things are changing there. Can you see that? So I've got helix there now, for example. So I'm just moving things around and changing things to make things look different. So we've got 2 helixes in there now, one there, one there. I'm deliberately doing this just to make a mess of things, really, more than anything else. So you can see that's changed. So what we've done now, we've changed all of that. Those changes there are fine. So let's go back up here now. And what we need to do is click on our SCB custom here, and we need to customize the workspace. So we click on customize, and we need our ribbon tab here. So we've got home 2D there. So I need a new ribbon tab now. So have I got a new ribbon tab anywhere? Let's have a look. I haven't got a new ribbon tab at the moment. So let's just say that we're done. And I'm going to create a new tab now. So I click on tabs here, right click, new tab, and this will be SCB custom. So there's my new tab. So what I've got to do now is find my panel. So I go down here to panels now. And there's my SCB custom 2D draw panel there. So I need to click on that and drag that all the way up to go on my new tab. As you can see, it's quite long-winded doing this, but the good thing is, if you take your time and you're methodical, what you'll find, there's my 2D draw panel on my SCB custom tab. So that's on my tab there now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here now to my SCB custom workspace, ribbon tabs, and I now need to find my new tab, which is here, SCB custom 2D draw, and I'm going to drag that over to here like so. Now I can't do that right now because I need to hit customize workspace. Now I can do it. There's ribbon tabs there. If I go up here, have I got my new tab? Let's have a look. Is it ticked? No, it's not. So I tick it there. SCB custom will come after Express Tools. So I click on done now, and I click on apply, and I click on OK. Now there won't be any changes just yet because I haven't changed my workspace. So I should have a new workspace down here. There's SCB custom. If I click there now, what you should find, there's copy of home 2D draw there, and there's my new panel on the ribbon. Now as you can see there, I didn't change the name. I should have done that really, and it should have converted to SCB custom, but I didn't change it in the properties. But as you can see, I've added my own little panel there to the ribbon in the home tab. It's very easy to do. Only takes a few minutes, as I've just shown you. So I'll go back to my 2D drafting and annotation now, and what you'll notice is it's there as well, because it's converted it to the ACAD CUIx file. So what I can do there now is I can easily remove that by going back into the CUIx file and just deleting it. I just wanted to show you there how to add a new panel to the ribbon in your workspace.